Today, I want to show you a ridiculously easy method to convert your lengthy videos into a consistent feed of attention-grabbing short clips, and more importantly, how to get those clips posting for you on complete autopilot. Before we jump into the technical steps, please remember that this workflow is designed specifically for content that you personally own or have the legal rights to use for your social media growth. To get started, simply open up your video editing dashboard and either upload your raw video file from your computer or link your primary streaming account directly for a seamless connection. Once your video is securely in the system, the artificial intelligence will immediately begin analyzing the audio and visual data to identify the high-energy segments, punchlines, and meaningful moments that typically perform well on social media. Instead of manually scrubbing through 45 minutes of footage, you can simply review the AI-suggested clips and select the ones that truly resonate with the message you want to share with your audience. Once you have selected a clip, use the integrated editor to trim the start and end points so that the pacing is tight, energetic, and perfectly optimized for a short-form viewing experience. You should also take a moment to select the proper aspect ratio, like vertical for TikTok and YouTube Shorts or square for Instagram, to ensure your content fills the screen perfectly for mobile viewers. If your original video features multiple people or you want to combine different visual angles, you can easily use the built-in layout tools to create professional-looking split-screen or collage compositions. Because the system works with the extracted clip rather than re-encoding the entire original file, you can make these iterative tweaks and adjustments to your edit incredibly fast. A highly effective trick for conversion is to record a quick 10-second on-camera call to action and append it to the end of your clip, which invites viewers to check out the full conversation on your channel. Once your clip is polished and ready, you can use the auto-schedule feature to set the exact days and times for your content to go live without you needing to be at your desk to hit the upload button. Your central content calendar allows you to drag and drop your upcoming posts, reorder your publishing queue, or prioritize trending topics if you need to make a sudden change to your strategy. Always remember to include a direct link to the full-length original video in your post description, as this simple step is the primary way to drive traffic and boost your overall watch time across platforms. It is also essential to auto-generate and manually review your captions, because a large percentage of your audience will be watching your content without any sound enabled on their devices. Don't be afraid to experiment with different clip lengths, as you might find that a short 15-second punchy highlight performs significantly better than a minute-long deep dive depending on the platform. While other manual editing tools might seem cheaper initially, they often lack these automated features, which means you end up spending hours of your valuable time doing the heavy lifting yourself. Once your clips are officially live, make sure to monitor the performance dashboard to see which topics are driving the most clicks and engagement so you can refine your production process accordingly. To replicate this workflow, just upload your master file, let the AI surface the best moments, apply your creative edits, and push everything to your calendar to set your content strategy on autopilot. If you found this guide helpful, I would love to hear which type of content you are currently repurposing. So go ahead and start creating your clips, and I will see you in the next video.